Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Maps and getting straight to the app settings. Tap your profile icon at the top right, then choose Settings. Once in Settings, tap Navigation Settings to access voice options. This is where voice guidance is controlled, so make sure you're in the Navigation section rather than General App Settings. If you're already navigating, pause or end the route briefly to avoid interruptions when changing voice settings. That lets the app apply changes cleanly. Once inside Navigation Settings, look for Voice Level or Guidance Volume. Tap that control and choose Muted to fully silent spoken directions, or pick Alerts only to keep safety prompts. If you use Bluetooth in a car, also disable Play Voice over Bluetooth so the phone won't route instructions to your stereo. Make sure to confirm any pop-up prompts and exit settings. After changing the option, start a quick test route to verify that spoken instructions no longer play aloud. To finish, begin a short route and listen. The voice should be silent or reduced per your choice. If you still hear directions, check your phone's media and navigation volume sliders and ensure Do Not Disturb or app permissions aren't overriding settings. If Bluetooth car settings mirror phone audio, disconnect and retest. Finally, if changes won't persist, force close Google Maps, restart your device, and as a last resort, reinstall the app. That clears corrupted preferences and usually fixes sticky voice settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.